Radio Australia's Pacific Break 2012, remastered.
So far we've received and are playing entries from
Solomon Islands, Samoa, PNG,
Vanuatu, Micronesia, New Caledonia, Fiji, American Samoa.
and the list goes on.
Wow.
Would you like to have your music played on Radio Australia's FM stations all around the Pacific and on our website all around the world? Would you like to have your song on the Pacific Break 2012 CD? Well, we're waiting.
Radio Australia's Pacific Break 2012, remastered.
If you're an amateur musician in the Pacific, send us your best original song. It could start you on a whole new journey.
When we heard the band's name in the top of the Pacific Break, we really enjoy.
Details are at radioaustralia.net.au/Pacific Break.
Round long Pacific, you Paraman Wantem Radio Australia long shortwave, FM na live streaming.
Good night. Now welcome along number 1 day belong moon September in number 9 moon belong this year 2012. Now me hope also this Sarere belong you even go good. Now, one of something you make him long and you come go opinions now you tune in long opening announcement and it's not one time me in a program long today night belong you miss one time some belong on news music now talk by come. All right, some belong you may yet long all regular listeners is have me 1 hour just so long Saturday night now 2 long Sunday. Long as all big plus stories by me bring him along today long night. I'm long sample along all even come up long all stories long a week long this week. Now too by me play mix one time sample music long this 1 hour. Now long so sit back. Now keeping me company. Now time me play go through long all this 1 hour belonging me. Long start yet, bringing me call on you, and by me bringing me come firm and down again, or some talk belong I'm long. I come to Port Moresby, Aste, belong, and we've been putting one time, belong deep sea mining. Now, two, Governor belong Oro Province, belong Papua New Guinea. It talk Save, long M, and Rapla Triple Star belong Middle Bench, long PNG National Parliament. Now, one play along Pig Farmer, long Tana. Island along Vanuatu by Kamapikam to na story again long mipla along this bla walk blang em now along also along Pig Farmer. Now also me talk some past time and I'm along all stories by me play got by me got music na to long 7:30 la PNG time 8:30 along Solomon Islands na Vanuatu along news. Number long all big plus stories by me like that. One play a military leader before belong Australia, like him talk out belong independent member Andrew Wilkie. Hillary Clinton belong America, he talk America by making more along or making more along rousing or something belong fight belong World War II long Pacific. Now Australia he transfer him all asylum seekers he go along Merak long Indonesia. There's no stories, no play yet. Long 7:30 PNG time, one time yours truly. Okay, belong me long go head na start long to the night. I'm also long time long this first nap one you walk like come become I think me look now long 2012 entry long the time yet the Underdogs. Now call him the number yet long the Underdog Project. Hey, style belong but what we hear the Underdog Prospect that's why me come here along the group the Underdogs also long sports and all that something also me so we got looking all favorites come up we got all underdogs so we come up and I hope also long to the year deposit stop long sporting activities long one of kind code long soccer long rugby Australian rules one of you go in want to also long underdogs nothing you've been time this ting long all come you kisi mo pla good pla result long today suppose you lose a maski got long rapla weekend come become long Australian rules now and also today this weekend and me last long home and away series now to me finish now long next games he coming up now and long all the coming along eliminations he go along final long last Saturday in September also long today too he been one day where he been start cool he come long today now long time he gives him training come along a work I think beyond 1 hour Kalawi come along Flinders Street station look we go along the side along Swanson Street big bongi sabe come up along Federation Square man Mary Piccini family all been pull up long up na mi okla haram music also mi okla come up come na mi tak hey mi good play time good play Sarere I think by me now play one play long all kind music mi okla haram mi come up long upside so mi haram to soul abrisimol la crowd he come up long work now mi pan slab long all one talk long one what to the Underdogs all come up come 10 minutes past 7 long Papua New Guinea long Port Vila na Honiara 10 past 8. Alright, number one story me like bringing me go back long sem even got plenty or talk you like him or like him notorious mineral company belong Canada you go head long deep sea mining long Papua New Guinea Solwara now narapla hab long Pacific me like bring him go along Ukraine from now long Port Moresby who's been give him a round up along all at this issue along Aste long Friday. This black company block Canada now we walk along Karamoto deep sea mining long Papua New Guinea notorious mineral now we come up in sample clear talk survey he go along all people belong Papua New Guinea long all walk belong em Port Moresby newsman from Ananol even stop long one meeting belong all along this week long Port Moresby now from Ananol he got two sample news long all pilai Emi story more long all this one time John Papik long Aste Friday.
Nautilus Minerals, a Montblanc company, we only got exploration license. Now license belong work him na pine him or all gold na minerals. Also Montblanc Black company, Mr. Blanc country. Only kisim license long pine him all minerals or some copper na zinc na gold. Underneath long Solwara. Only pine him some Blahap area long Bismarck area, Name long Robal long Eastern Britain, New Island province, na Name long Manus, where only thing na talk he got enough minerals or some zinc, gold, na copper is tap where all by digging or mining. Only talk display and banana require more big pla machine. Along also cutting more ground or some narpla mining and top long ground making. Although not put him all some tailings or PPA, all by using more latest equipment and technology. Waste happiness, but using underneath long solwara and adjust him more than talk. Country manager long Nautilus Minerals long PNG, Mel Togolo it also. But only start long mining operations long 2013 or 14. But people something only been Tok Pisin want them all get aligned communities, New Island provincial government, not too long Robal, also long Manus, halfway by affecting some heavy long all people. Emit also and need long this plus Solwara, it know some villages stop line stop long communities by only affecting all. You know at big mountain, by only cutting and broken more wara baoli na update him tamoli rausmol islam min roles embol happy mi kamantab long pipe na wara longen emba waroli pambi mi ko dan gen an nit long sol wara na olgada min roles oli kisim by all papim long tribal pipe go antab long tribal ship by stab antab oli kisim na ba putimoli ko long all ship where only signing 1 plus 3 years contract finish 1 black company John Ling or 1 black company John Ling big black company long by more this black and zinc na copper long China so all by Salemiko straight long or this black company by only working mall processing facility or some narba long working mall display whereby bagrabim heavy or environment or some fish because fish and stuff hunt up lig long solwara all but go underneath straight long ground so what on black fish or animal or life is stuff need where mining activity belong all by affect him or bagrabim so some clean mining concept where only work him so a planted thing talk all environmental line talk all some by environment me talk iban on a bagrabim but also some time every can come up big play only thing you can come up and more some suppose this pipe brook or some all machine where or some robot by controlling longen or robot by digging longen or some excavator suppose only bagrab by got some hydraulic oil where by leak you can need long solwara way and by enough long or some enough long bagrabim to mass environment narapla heavy more some suppose this trapla ship sink or bagrab by oily by leak long and also more narapla heavy so come up only need load cleaning and straighting but big play heavy to mass back up long display mining operations underneath long sol water so tamoli working on display presentations look all right like look good play to mass not a big play heavy can come up but only talk time display trapla pipe long pipe mall mean rolls commander be broke same old ground stone we only rouse me but go back down long solarana only can fix him again so by no all big play heavy also all acid so all chemical no good also all narapla gold mine only dig him no put him long all mine tailings we bagrab him also fly river system by no up come up need to much long solwara all fish is tabanta all community is tabanta na and by no big environmental impact
Tanim blong simpler sports news Fermin you got simpler story blong PNG rugby league na PNG games and by come up closer to surpass them story really long rugby league
yes you make a display premier rugby league competition long digital cup finals by come up grand final by come up long next week display weekend Sunday by major semi final namelong 3 times premiers na champions Mendi Muruks against him Enga Miox blong Enga tublo one time he got good chance long meet him Rabal Gurias inside long grand final all by play long Lord Robson Oval long Port Moresby win long display game namelong Mendi Muruks na Enga Miox by go meet him Rabal Gurias long grand final long next week Mendi Muruks he got good game. Took one time by play long away, long home games. Miox he got good chance. Also winning all get the home games long Wabeg. Lay emos neutral ground. Although Mendi Muruks only base long up, always a winning all game. Miox he been defeating Mendi Muruks long qualifying finals last weekend. Narbla weekend long Wabeg. This time only like taking revenge. But Mendi Muruks only been tasting grand final appearances long. 5 times, 3 time out long and only been winning 3 consecutive years, 2006, 7, 8, making me go in long grand final long 2010. All Grokolani is winning all. Now look also suppose only winning Miox. Look also only got chance long winning 4 in a row. 4 time long winning grand final. And I think first time inside long history long country Muruks by setting record long happy inside long grand final long 5 time.
The PNG Games, you come up close to now, long Papua New Guinea?
Yes, PNG Games, New Plus Sports and the 2015 Pacific Games Minister, Justin Tachenko, he talk and finished. You must start long making work. Oleg looks away all some PNG games long Kokopo will come up long November. He must come up good, already good because this play can give him all some ideas now way long preparing Papua New Guinea long host him 2015 Pacific Games. Only two Tokamamas now Sports Minister Justin Tichenko, one time Vice Minister Blongen, Labi Hamayu, member Blong Mosby North West, one time Northeast, one time State Enterprises Minister Ben Maika, he been presenting more long 500,000 kina. Close to 1 million kine go long PNG NRL long host team display Prime Minister stating game name long PNG Kumuls na Australian Kangaroos Kangaroo side long moon Septemba 23rd of September display year long Port Moresby. So yeah, all good something he walk long go good, but look Vice Minister Labi Hamayu na Sports Minister Justin Tichenko na Ben Maike to passing long sports ever long rugby league emiko come a big play inside long PNG because kind line go inside na put in politics, so only thing long walk him some lower by tram long down him this by code long rugby league na sports in general can grow long country.
Nano long Port Moresby, also finished one time long sports news yet. Now you got one of thinking along as Tok long Mel Togolo of long notorious minerals along saltwater one mining along Papua New Guinea, and we talk long all safety issues now how about work operations long in a bagrab more fish along saltwater na too long livelihood long all people where and by mining stuff long and it's long Manners, New Ireland and is New Britain. So you yet got one of thinking long let's long mining company yet. I mean come said na even got big block talk to all same this technology and this company like use him I mean Nubla only been a time na look save also I mean good technology long walk long kissing all minerals underneath long saltwater. So you yet you can find him thinking long end. Now you got one comment long end, put him come long +61 427 727272. Now what I'm two along sports. I mean one play big plus something. You know me plus I like him. You go long come out with some more spectators. Now was long all the teams he play. Now you miss have a barrack long all. Now how team all neck long me long how all players he must play now all kind of them. So you yet also Mendy Muruk now supposed to win this year long rugby long PNG by 4 consecutive years long I mean come up premier long PNG rugby. So you yet you got one of thinking long and aim now. Same number can or same text number M +61 427 727272. So I mean like haram come long you got 1 hour to solve and you run him clock go cause him news and I go along another player by him up long look go head along close him station. So you got little time to solve. Now I think past time long I'm now long so time here to me. It's national one time, I ask him you long Sarere. I hope you got good play day, not too long weather, long up long you come up also on him. You can up long put him come long SMS long a come say talk so long on the rapla listeners also weather long happy stuff long and he been good play or no good.
Across the Pacific, you're with Radio Australia.
All right, and the upper story maybe you got long a little weekend long also you've been harem long still long or lig number long all tupla nupla also long me go back in lig number long nupla members long parliament now long now stop long middle bench long Papua New Guinea parliament Gary Jufa former top public servant, now in Nubla governor belong Oro province, you go pass long this middle bench, and he call him this line belong I'm long alliance of conviction. So you this alliance of conviction. Now we look out him or stable middle bench. You got opposition, now you got government is stopped now. True, and we talk. I'll been vote long Prime Minister O'Neill. I'll remember long middle bench. But look, no wise long how government opposition. It time long talk long all big issues belong country na role belong all it belong looking all same all got all cranky thing and passing it come up. Nupla Governor Gary Jufa ito clear more long roll long middle bench long Papua New Guinea National Parliament.
Yes. Well, go out to people, middle bench, middle parliamentarians, first-time parliamentarians. It's like Boom, sit down one time, like got great concern for major issues which confronting Papua New Guinea, the interest of Papua New Guinea law now, not future yet. Now, how people sit down for future? And we got big concern for resource for you. Now, how people in Papua New Guinea by benefit of this resource. Now, people must participate in development of this resource. Now, people must not come up, cargo boy, now, stand up outside the house, now, look, come inside the soul, now, sit down underneath the table, now, waiting people to pull down the soul, this kind of project development by come up. People got big interest, representing interest of people, people. He got plenty of major issues which are confronting Papua New Guinea, which people are looking also in plenty time, government, now opposition too some time, only are ignoring also major issues. So what people are walking and people talk this law major issues, people must knock and hide law, people must knock and rousing go underneath the carpet, or people must knock and pass in mind, look also start inside law, halfway, people need to talk and no God. People must go straight forward now attacking also issues, now people must talk and interest of people, na country blamibla, na future blamibla, na mibla must talk good, na mibla must find means and ways to addressing all this issue. So middle bench and people are in a plenty man and me, na nadla member blomi, labi amayu, and mibla tukla la people's movement for change. People boom want to drata blomi, Kelly Naru, Governor Blomorobe, and come na joining mibla na immediate and talk of them. This la boom go yumi, mibla he call him the Alliance of Conviction. The Alliance of Conviction and mean also mibla altogether got one belief. No one problem is confronting more people blow you me, the country blow you me. Now how Mikla by threatening Moses like heavy blow you me one time. So Mikla boom one time, no put him head blow Mikla one time. Now Mikla talk Mikla must true representing people blow you me. You must not get losing thing all, now losing all outside the door blow parliament now. All by stop outside now losing thing all no fight a year ago now just come back no election time no talking all voting Mikla can't just kind passing Mikla illness. So that's why Mikla is forming this middle bench. Now, yes, Midla been supporting Midla vote law government, underneath Prime Minister Peter O'Neill, but Midla talk also got some major issues. With some time government, now some time opposition too. Only in social look law, and so Midla like look law these issues because all the issues which are concerning people go you mean. Now Midla illness law hide or threat or confronting all this issue. Now Midla must address him all. Now Midla no force him man no come join him. Midla no give money law or talk by give ministry law or. Talking more come sit down one time Miglana, but Migla forcing more come stop one time Migla no cut. Migla talking more all also. Suppose you got concern for people for you, now you got interest or representing more people for you, or side for this law where big the issue you work for confronting country for you. Then come start now you forming one group so that you can take him all these issues, now current government or opposition not looking. People cross fight start, but this law something where people of the country need the you must addressing the look land. Sintam look land, you miss regime law heavy. That's purpose law middle bench. Me no go inside the parliament one making poro na friend one time online inside the parliament. Me go no saving more people blow me na. Suppose me no got poro friend inside the have more right too because me Sarere or from outside the country blow me 7 million people all that supporting me yet.
Mr. Jufa, first time along a country got middle bench. Now, before long opposition have keep him government checks and balances. Now, you now long as a legal line you talk. Now stop now look him. Opposition must play a role long him. The government too must play a role long where he should long interest long a country and a people.
Well, that's correct. I mean, he must got first time all kind of something will come up. Now, suppose the first time leaders will go inside and represent the interest of people, blow and emo right. People must work in this law too. Because people stand up for election so that people can continue more. Now, people can identify one problem law. Now, people can find a solution to problem law. Like current is the solution. Now, service come house door law. So now, also me looking big problem of people inside of Papua New Guinea and management. Management of public service, management of resource, management of future blow you mean you plan on managing all this like something good. That's why country and will bagrab, all the rich country, gas, gold, oil, nickel, copper, timber, fish, kind resource you can sing out him and you got. But money come just like happy go one and half spread because Mitla no managing good, Mitla no stretching also something good. That's why Mitla looks him heavy. So middle bench said Mitla talk, yes, opposition got road blown, but yes, government got work blown too. But Mitla no side no middle bench. Mitla is start no look or two one time na Mitla talk this la problem, you play losing thing. Mitla must look now this la problem. This la heavy, you play losing thing. You must look now this la heavy. So that's what road blow Mitla no middle bench and also.
En dan weet je, met Haram Gary Jufa, Nupla governor belong Oro province, long Papua New Guinea. Now maybe make him long play talk one time, Governor Jufa along as well issues, Nandara played long, start long tomorrow yet by Yimin Ablaharam, long all big play issues, there's la middle bench belong, and I'm calling me it long, long alliance of conviction by it look the wise long government long time long debate long talk long parliament only must carry long you go ahead long look him long interest long all people in the country so along next week or long tomorrow by me look long all big play issues there's a alliance of conviction by look long and now you go ahead more long and by me to talk one time too long work belong public service. Now how I mean look him there's a public service machinery. He can work one time government belong bring him all goods and services. Now too he been making all comments belong and there's a deep sea mining belong a Canadian company belong notorious minerals he like start long making this long Solwara 1. So he got more talk one time long governor he come up become yet. Suppose he got all ting look savvy or comment he like make him long there's a first talk belong and make him put him text belong you come long +61 427 727272. One time long not apply items that you've been pennies along start belong this broadcast. 7:30 Papua New Guinea, Solomon Islands, na Vanuatu 7:30. Radio Australia News, me power is Bonjui. All top stories. One military leader before belong Australia, like him, talk out belong independent member Andrew Wilkie. Hillary Clinton belong America, he talk America by making war, long rousing or something belong pride behind long Second World War. Now Australia, he transferring all asylum seekers, he go long Iraq, long Indonesia. One long all retired senior Australian military leader, Jim Mullen, he talk out belong Andrew Wilkie long die belong 5 Australian soldiers long Afghanistan this week, been Gupla talk out long this time. And this independent member belong Parliament belong Australia, he talk Prime Minister he got long talk English, blood on her hands, behind long die belong 5 soldiers. Retired Major General Mullen, he been talking Sky TV also, this all talk, make him Amy Hamas, long time country, so him Bell Pass, long die belong all these soldiers.
Now's not the time to say things like that. If you're going to, I don't know what he said about what's happened in the Sunda Strait over the last couple of days, whether he holds a similar view, at least that would be consistent. But, gee, now's not the time to say things like that.
American Secretary of State Hillary Clinton, he talk America by putting more work long rousing all World War II bombs, now all cartridges or shells. Now we stop yet, na kilim na pagrabim body belong all Pacific Islanders. Sean Donny, he reported come along Rarotonga, along Cook Islands, all same time, and maybe in the talk long one function, long Pacific Islands Forum, long security partnership, American Secretary of State Hillary Clinton, he talk United States by apim nrapla $3.5 million and tab long $2 million been spending pennies long painim na bagrabim all bomb na catres na all narapla something parapiet na stab long all Pacific Islands beyond long World War II. Or something long paid beyond long World War II. Established long sample long all Pacific Islands and long all soldier long American, Australia, Ibn Lusim, established behind or long all soldier long Japan too. Plenty thousand of people long all Nambis long Philippines been go back long all house long all behind long all been a porret na runaway. Behind long one big Korea long Solwara only talk by bringing tsunami. Headman long civil defense Benito Ramos talk plenty long all Lisbla ibn losing house long all long east coast long all time all waves been big long something all same half meter hammerable coastal areas long 1 hour long Lisbla 7.6 Korea even come up long late Friday. Plenty long all go back long house long all behind long all Erasimo Tok Save long tsunami long big night long time long Philippines. That's all 5+10 families established long evacuation centers long one only porret tsunami by come up yet. This block Korea able to make him ground broke come down kill him one Mary long Southern Island long Mindanao. Australian government talk all ibianim strap passing long transfer him all people die long one birua long asylum boat go long a breeze long Merak long Indonesia. All ibn panim la kisi 5 people time boat long all ibn go down long sea outside long Java long start long is blow week now all pass him all walk upon him or search of long narapla 100 people. I'll give him all these people or survivors long Indonesian immigration authorities long Merak that's all Australian Navy ibn Tokimol long Kisimol go long Darwin long Northern Australia. Australian front bencher Brendan O'Connor talk this boat ibn stop long search na rescue zone along Indonesia.
It's entirely appropriate and consistent with the protocols of search and rescue that they would be brought to the nearest port that had the facilities to take care of those that are injured. By far the closest port in the context of this area where they were rescued was Merak, and that's where people have gone.
United States Children's Fund UNICEF talk Syria na region round long em now he facing big heavy through he go long lives long all people. This talk out he come up one day behind long Turkey he been appeal he go long United Nations Security Council one mass grab him one safe zone along Syria long plenty thousand all refugees. UNICEF talk all picking now he walk long bunging big heavy na birua long all pied where he got short long all kai Glenwara the house long all this he walk long runaway long all cross na pied. Mouseman Patrick McCormick he talk he got needed long international community he come inside na give him half him past time long he late.
UNICEF is concerned, deeply concerned, that in Syria and the surrounding region we may be or are looking at one of the biggest humanitarian emergencies in the last decades when you consider so many of the factors involved in this crisis.
Something also 4 rebels have been die time one United States drone. He been suit he go inside long area long tribal region long Pakistan close to long border one time Afghanistan. All security officials talk all been marking la suit he go long one military compound long northern Wasi Ritan. Radio Australia News.
This is Radio Australia.
I'm also a listener, you sabe, and along Sarere and Sunday, we play sabe got 1 hour broadcast as all. Me one play last news belong a long night. tomorrow yet by nabla kisim yet one pla more news long 7:30 long PNG long Solomon Islands na Vanuatu long 8:30 and me hope also me you got kupla night tonight that's now no porban watami long next 22 minutes you go along me pla to good night long tonight so and now yet I think we play kisi one pla music long the time now long number 8 come long Mean One featuring Adeline Lau Mao. Calling this pla Pusa Little More. Now we had los play here Pusa Little More. Porman at one time. Oh, Mean One, he porman one time Adeline Lau Mao long Sarere night. Alright, now you make along Tana Island long Vanuatu. Now bring him to the story at things applause. You miss asked now too. I think Mila bring him can lo you at least na been haram this story. Emi one pla good pla success story belong one pla man he been losing school long primary now you go back long place now me look around you find him a way long make him some plavatu or 1 shilling or some kina or toya now he started one pla business long pig farming now this la man here I'm a pig farmer Kamisek Welby now maybe in bungi mem long Port Villa time I've been stop along Port Villa long time Tok one time all government officials belong like belong Salim pig or pork belong we call long Numia capital belong New Caledonia and like him sample halvim long and got more long 500 pigs long farm long now Salim to solely go along all customers along Tana now like expand him this business belong go along Numia New Caledonia the pig farmer Kamisek Welby he talks about pastime long how been start long lookout him pig
long 1986 time is finished long primary me started farm long now.
Now you look at this pig farm and been one way belong you kisim sampla vatu na tu belong half him family belong you long all education or needs belong family.
Me no got pig for la idea. Me no got any help long councillor or MP or government but through lo power lo me no more me work as in the day me got about long 400-500 pigs.
Let's play a big plan number belong pig along you look at him now long sale belong kisim vatu you got market inside long Vanuatu long all pig belong you?
Yes, Tana value blow pig hemi high too much. Every man only need them pig so market blow me hemi ready start.
Mr. Welby talk everyone long Tana is liking pig. Elizabeth liking pig belong family kai or belong all ceremonial purposes or also money?
All family only start kai. Lo ceremony pig ni bon pig lo pem out woman pig lo money pet you pem out life land pig money making problem you find pig pig only need them planted.
You got all narapla all pig farmers long Tana?
All small farmer. You need to now pig as farm lo island lo Nilo Tana or Tafia province or Vanuatu lo local pig.
Mr. Welby, now me talk like you stop long Port Villa, you lose him Tana I come. One reason belong you come long Port Villa.
Me come lo Villa me pin send them one boy he come lo has to help lo government. And he come make boy coco no he come back on slow before last week. He sent them big boy he come. Me got 2 boy. Big boy he come make boy coco no you know got help. Me yet me come lo Villa me start lo Villa now lo Saturday morning me go back lo Tana from farm lo me. You know got any help lo me yet.
Time you talk long government, you look at all some government departments, all some long agriculture, no quarantine, now this line belong all enough long put him you long right direction, belong export you go along and no more.
Only me come lo straight and lo campaign, only start making weight lo katablo I think number 2 all minister only stop. You know mo kata any minister lo only stop come ko close up lo election. May kan say mi kam, inokat anything we only give lomi. Mi stop make mo lomi blow tomorrow Friday, Saturday mi stop ko back lo island.
I mean also long by you go back and long Tana, na by you wait you go nap long formation long nupla government, long a come back long try ma kisim halvim long government.
Yes. By me try lo next government.
So a plan blang you like look him also suppose all ego all right, and by cheaper along you sim Tana along Salim all made long pig ego long Numia instead of it come long Port Villa process him na Salim go long Numia.
Yes, friend lomi ibin tok lomi mi say yes ni need lomi suppose sa government ibin help me lo one track on by me move number lo pigi ko on top lo misalam lo Tana mo misalam auto sa ko lo Numia.
Now you think it got a market belong you along all pig meat along Numia.
Ikat lo Tana pe suppose me kata ni tol semi pin talam combine ni make iyo kalo Tana mo combine ni export maka ti ko lo Numia.
So you look at all Polynesian population along Numia. You believe about enough long kisim all export belong you also belong long you mean long Melanesian to Polynesia. It's like him all pork long time belong bung time ceremony now all narapla all occasions him is a god long in.
Yes, we like him.
So well you got narapla all issues and you like out him or like encourage him all rural farmers long go ahead along all kind or like business or some like pig farming or cash cropping. I mean time long you long talk sabe long all encourage them all go ahead long or like business long all.
Yes, planted them mi start has small family blow li kam mi kis mo idea blow tata blow li brem start sama small business blow tata lo head lo pig farm. From me mi start a good outlaw some local pig.
And you are made a big farmer. Kamisek will be belong Tana Island along Vanuatu. I'm your long star time along at the time yet belong me. Hey, you got 11 minutes that's all. Now you got one more think now idea belong you comment long all the stories here you simply is long today long so 1 hour past time long all sports. Mendy Muroks by go long final now belong look also by 4 consecutive premiership or also 2 long deep sea mining along Papua New Guinea pulling planted Tok Pinis na 2 along let's play the Tok belong Vanuatu big farmer imi start long Lucima primary school na go na ipanim road belong now come on good big farmer along Tana Island belong Vanuatu. So you yet you got one of ting long and you got now you go along time me play Pinisian broadcast belong put him text belong you come na bian to music get by me in up long look long talk thank you long all listeners now he put him Pinis text he come long and this blah na comment long all issues and me play he put him out Pinis long today night and it now West Live me like bring him you display now you raise me up. This the number here. Come long, West Life. You raise me up. And now we had to make a tupla taxi come long at the night long issue here. The first one been come long Arino village long Buin long autonomous region long Bougainville. It's a text long he come he talk yes PNG government forget the seabed mining. We are killing ourselves. Parliamentarians, please think about 7 million people of PNG. Me, Thomas, Laubai, Piarino Village, Buin, Long Autonomous Region, Long Bougainville. The second one, they've been Yimilism Islands, New Guinea Islands, you want up long Highlands, long Papua New Guinea, Kizimiet, Emikamiet, long Frank Bariangwa, long Tare, long Ella Province. Nubla province belong a country yet. And we talk me support him this outspoken governor along all get something you walk him along clean him or killing him a PNG by walk go money na walk na money spending must go straight and we come here long Frank Bariagua at me time can long talk out straight long how and me put him this blah tax long him me support him this blah outspoken governor long all get something you walk him along clean him PNG by walk na money he spend him must go straight. Yes, and we come up straight now. Long all PNG he must go walk good. Na money he must go straight long all how he spend him. So Frank, thank you to Miss Avalsem, you want to regular listener. I hope all them by enough long comment yet long all issues he come up long. This my service long interest long all people now long country. So we at the long time and we play at 4 minutes or close to long 3.5 minutes before me play he finish in broadcast. Right now I think me invite him now Guy Sebastian 2008 release belong Australia yet and I think back me play go long time long finish in broadcast and what time long in the midnight hours. Hey, look, and now 1 hour is up. Night time. Let me play a long good night and talk about my hotel long today long Sunday. And I play Sarere. So me play by come back long tomorrow Sunday. I hope also by me play a boom cannon long. What time long display yet? Mark me play here long display service. Enjoy a safe weekend along you.
Tasol long Tok Pisin, tasol sabek lo harim news long Talk English. Good night.